It is a quiet night. The house is small but warm. A family lives here. There is a father, a mother, and their young daughter. The day is over and the street outside is silent. Only a few lights are on in nearby houses. Inside, the family is getting ready to sleep. The father locks the front door slowly. He checks it once, then checks it again. He feels tired after work, but calm. The mother is in the kitchen. She washes the last cup and puts it on the shelf. The sound of water is soft and steady. The daughter sits on the bed and hugs her pillow. She listens to her parents' voices and feels safe. Soon the lights go off one by one. The kitchen becomes dark. The living room becomes quiet. Only the clock on the wall makes a soft ticking sound. The family goes to sleep. The house breathes slowly, like a person resting. Outside, the night becomes deeper. Clouds cover the moon. The street is now very dark. A man walks slowly near the houses. His steps are careful. He looks around again and again. His face is thin and his eyes move fast. This man is a thief. The thief stops near the family's house. He looks at the windows. He looks at the door. Everything is quiet. No sound, no light. He listens closely. His heart beats fast, but his face stays cold. He touches the gate and pushes it gently. It makes no sound. The thief walks to a side window. The window is old. The lock is weak. He takes a small tool from his pocket. His hands move slowly. He does not rush. After a few seconds, the window opens just a little. Cold air enters the house. The thief slips inside. Inside the house, the air feels different now. The thief stands still and listens. He hears the clock. He hears a soft breath from another room. Someone is sleeping. He walks carefully, step by step. The floor makes a light sound, but not loud enough to wake anyone. In the bedroom, the mother turns in her sleep. She feels something is wrong. The room feels too quiet. She opens her eyes slowly. At first, she sees only darkness. Then she hears a small sound, like a foot touching the floor. Her heart beats faster. She sits up a little and listens. The sound comes again. She wakes the father softly. She touches his arm and whispers his name. The father opens his eyes. He feels confused, but he listens. Both of them stay still. They do not speak. They hear a slow step in the living room. Someone is there. The mother feels fear in her chest. The father feels fear too, but he tries to stay calm. He thinks of his daughter in the next room. The father gets out of bed slowly. He walks to the door and opens it just a little. He sees a shadow move near the table. The thief is there, looking at the shelves. The thief takes a small bag and puts things inside. His back is to the door. The father takes a deep breath. He wants to shout, but he does not. He wants to protect his family. He steps forward and turns on the light. The room becomes bright in 1 second. The thief is shocked. He freezes. His eyes open wide. The mother runs to her daughter's room and locks the door. The daughter wakes up and starts to cry softly. The mother hugs her tightly and says everything is okay again and again. In the living room, the father speaks in a loud, clear voice. He tells the thief to stop and leave. The thief looks around. He drops the bag on the floor. His hands shake. He does not want trouble. He runs to the window and jumps out quickly. The sound wakes the neighbors. Lights turn on in other houses. People come outside. Someone calls the police. The street is no longer quiet. The family sits together in the living room. They are still shaking, but they are safe. The daughter sits between her parents. The mother holds her hand. The father locks the door again and checks it twice. Later, when the police leave, the house becomes quiet again. The night feels long, but calm returns slowly. The family stays awake for some time. They talk in soft voices. They feel thankful. They are together. They are safe. When they sleep again, the light in the hallway stays on. It is small but warm. The house feels alive again.